wonke umuntu. And nina wena ke Buti or who have seen it all. And then you have your mind kulento lena. Ungathini kula muntu loyana o tempted or seyiqalile kayi 1 kayi 2?
Yo mangabe sekayiqalile kayi 1 kayi 2 angabe saqhubeka man. Yo because leyanto leyana man I demon. Angazi because of sihlezi sizibona lezi zinto even nasema TV siyaxwayisa ngalezi zinto ukuthi abantu bangenelani kulezi zinto. I fail to understand, but hence I'm saying ukuthi lento lele kahle demon man, because of once you touch it or once if awukho strong enough ichayile, you understand. So nje if maybe sekayiqale kancane mhlamba ayikangena egazini akayiyeke awusislima man mawusoba awusislima. Bengihlala ngizwa abazali back then mabesikhuza or even abantu nje elokishini mabesikhuza, you know. Mina into engayisho ukuthi ukulalela guys, it's very important, it's very crucial kuyo yonke into, wherever you go, umhlaba wonke jikelele, everyone or even your billionaires obabonayo namhlanje, they are there simply because of they were listeners, they were listening mabetshelwa, they were good listeners. So ukungalaleli it's another problem. Yeah, it's another problem because of isuka from lapho mawutshelwa ukuthi no into kanje wrong, then wena you feel good time mhlambe, you know. So yeah.
And then I heard you said we all realize around boma 5 years ukuthi you've got this gift.
Yeah, I've been about 5 years. I was still young.
Tell me about it and your first performance, that highlighted performance yakho osiyabona lapha ya.
Which one
was it? Because okay, let me go through them.
Yeah.
Right? Kona lapho ngithi what defines you as umjita wasikazi.
Okay.
Do you want to answer that one first? Okanye ufuna ngithi tell me your first acknowledgement that you are gifted.
That's why.
And ufuna ngalendlela le. Okay.
Sisasejabulane ne?
Yeah.
Sisahlale Jabulane.
Yes.
So bengiskime my younger brothers. We were 4. We used to call ourselves Boys to Men.
When I no film on you were destined to be with each other. Like his best fanayo.
And nasekhaya besibiza Boys to Men. Not that we were singers, not that we were all singers.
Okay.
Because of we were 4.
Okay.
I understand. Yemi, my younger brother Ayanda, my late younger brother Umduduzi,
okay,
and Uspiwe. Besi 4. So we were naughty, very naughty. I understand. Sasithanda ukuthi siye like la ekhaya ngasekhaya kunama shops. Front opposite yasekhaya i-crash, and then bese kuba nama shops. Ne? So bebehlezi basithume ama shops. Okay, sometimes ke noma bengasithunga siyaziyela, and trust me masida esiyaganga.
Ngiyantshontsha.
You understand? No nje ubunothi babantwana nje yabo siyaqwala. So masenza yonke lonto leyo khona lo mama lo othengisa like just ngaphandle kwe shop ubeke istall sakhe lapha ya uthengisa ama veggie nama aboma scopas, so yabo ama sweets nani. So lo mama lo sahlezi sim irritate masiloko sidlala lapha ya.
Okay.
Sihlezi simcika ahlala siqosha njalo. Yabo then one day kuqeda ukurelease le ngoma le ka Whitney Houston. I Will Always Love You. The cover version got Dolly Parton.
Okay.
It's called Whitney Houston. So it was big, it was trending. Behlezi video yakhona behlezi uyibona every time at TV. Yabo. So that song yangena kimi, yabo.
Okay.
So one day lokho golos looks every time
looks like bungawazi ama lyrics angisho.
No.
Ubocula ngendlela yakho.
Yeah. You know? So every time masiloku siya lapha, one day lo gogo lo singalapho lona athengisela khona. Angiyiqale le ngoma le. I don't know. Ivele isuke nje
ngishaya kancane le. Ngiyakuchomela nina.
Ngishaya yabo. Ithi mangishaya lo gogo lo. That day angibheke. Ewubona ukuthi umangele, yabo. Ukuthi la abantwana laba abahlupha uye lo. Yabo. Ngisha mangiqeda lapho ngizwe ngaye nje sekathi umntanami woza la. Ngiye kuye. And I'm thinking ukuthi maybe khona into engizile.
Ngizile ngoba udlala uStoti vele.
Athatha ama-scopas. Athi thatha. Ucula kamnandi kanjani? That's when I realized ukuthi I know
I've got this.
Seriously,
the very same person.
We were enemies. Yes, we were enemies. Nalokho kholo. Besazi ukuthi noma sisidlala senze into.
Ansondeli lapha. Yeah.
But after angizwa la, wangibiza wangipha ama-scopas. I was like, I know.
I'm doing the right thing.
So from then
on.
And
then you've been singing at home and no one has ever told you that you doing a good thing.
Yeah,
or maybe ngoba isho ifamily because nabo nomntana emubi ekhaya. So maybe you didn't take it serious because of it was something that was said by the family.
Hence I'm saying ukuthi kwi family choir I was the leader.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
I understand with most of leader. It's because of
but it's said because of it was said by that woman to ukholelwe ukuthi hayi lento into yami.
No, kusho ukuthi lapha yana ngabona ila ngaboniswa khona ukuthi no. It's like kwaba khona into engivula amehlo ukuthi look at this thing. Ithathe serious.
Yeah.
And then from then on ngaqala ke nga even nanoma ngiye esikolweni ke bese kukhona ama patterns engiwafunayo towards making my own thing because of bese ngiyibonile. So ezola mangiyofunda ezola italent liningi lapha.
Exactly.
Yo.
Exactly.
I met these guys but one of them bekehlala etlali. Those guys were also amazing. Yo. So beyithi masihlangene senze into. From your drumming besenze drumming ama-desk,
yeah,
like ama-desk,
yeah,
senze drumming while singing while kusho ukuthi it was amazing.
It's one of the reasons engithi mina when no Philemon you are one of the first people abafaka imepeka slate because we were focusing on more ama-talent wakwezinye indawo, more especially Soweto. Soweto was exposed to anything and everything. And then you guys came through. So iko ngihlala ngithi bengingasho ukuthi do you know ukuthi impact enina yenzeka? So I guess when intshisekelo it was because of the Soweto was already on it.
Yes. And ithe mangifika eSoneville I took all that experience. Elona yini lesikolo sethu
eJunior kaGiso sithi
leso sasisoneville
ikhululeka. Yes,
bangakutshela.
Okay,
bangakutshela bangifika nje first thing, whoever bengimskimile na introduce them to the drumming on desk and the singing.
Ngikhumbula phela sise Juni ngokudume eCasablanca yakhumbula ukuthi
I remember yeah.
Yiyo ke ngayikhohlwa because of ubona wonke umuntu happy nje umunye uye ebhodini ushaya ama desk abanye baya drive ngapha, so I get what you say.
Those were good days, man.